cord with blocks. So we've got 2 cords. So cord with a block, an extra cord, put those in there. So this is a 6S and it's got a case on it, so we're going to go ahead and remove the case. There it goes. The shell has lots of wear on it. The screen is lifted. Let me kind of show this. So the screen is lifted here. It's a little thinner there. It's a little thicker there. Super thin here. See, it's like super thin. It's a little thicker here. And then we're back around to the other side. It's thicker here. So we've got some differences in the screen's thickness. Here's the IMEI number. I'm going to go ahead and place the device at the edge of the table. Just kind of give this a show real quick. So the back of the shell has some scratches. So let's go ahead and place it at the edge of the table there. Hello? Yes, how may I help you? Yes, what model are you interested in? Okay, so a 6S start at $210, 6S Plus start at $300, iPhone 7 start at $350, and 7 Plus start at $450. Based on storage capacity. So the minimum storage capacity when you go up each step in storage is an additional cost. So for the 6S and 6S Plus, it's $30 for each step, so it goes $16, $64, $128. For the 7 and 7 Plus, it goes $32, $128, $256, and then it's $40 for those steps. The 6S and the 6S Plus are the same. So the 6S compared to the 7, not a noticeable difference. However, with the 7 Plus, they added a second camera to the main camera, so there's 2 main cameras, and it has a portrait mode. Portrait mode is significantly better. Once you go into the 8, it's the same damn camera. it's the same phone. They look the same. The 8s have glass on the back. I'm not selling the 8s yet because people are still paying on them, so they're still financing them. The only 8s that I have are for parts. So if you're looking for that newer device, I would caution you. I would tell you to call me before you pay anybody for a used one, because I can help you buy it from someone else and make sure you're going to get something that's going to work for you. But I would say pay less and get a 7 or a 7 Plus. They're comparable. Yes. Yes. Those start at $450. They start at 32 gigs. Yes. I don't have an open or close sign per se. All of my transactions are done by appointment. So depending on how many calls I get, how many people want to meet. On the weekends I tend to stay available later. So 8, 9, 10 on the weekends. During the week, I usually try to cut it off around 8 o'clock. So, AT&T SIM card that, like, say you're talking on it right now with the AT&T SIM card, your SIM card is active and it can transfer from one device to another device and stay active. So yes, if you make an appointment to meet with me and you choose a phone, I'm going to show you everything's working on it, and before you leave, your phone number will be on the device, your SIM card will be in it, and you'll be able to use it walking out the door. I do. What time did you want to meet? Okay. Okay, so you want to know when my earliest available is? Let me see. 3:15 right now. Got the 4. So my earliest available is going to be 4:30. We are located just off of Mooney Boulevard on Ashland Avenue. Are you familiar with Mooney Boulevard? Okay, so you know where right, I know nobody knows where Ashland is. That's why I gotta start asking. You know where Bank of America is? Okay, so yes, okay, perfect. So right next door is Howie's Pizza. So if you pull into Bank of America and you cut through Howie's Pizza, there's a little street that runs along the side. That is Ashland Avenue. And the store that I work in is called Best Wireless, and we are facing Howie and Sons Pizza. You could park at Howie and Sons, walk across the street, and directly into that door. I can see the drive-up ATM from my window.
Hi.
So so we've got you down as a 4:30 appointment. Give me a call at 4 o'clock to confirm your 4:30. I have everybody do this because sometimes people will lose track of time and not call and then not show up. So it's important that I get the confirmation call. If you don't call, I just assume you needed to reschedule, and then you'll have to call me back to reschedule. Okay, so call me at 4 and we'll plan to meet at 4:30. And of course, if you need to push back or think you're going to be a little bit later, just give me a call, let me know, so that way we can work it out. Okay, I'll talk to you then. Bye-bye. Oh. You don't know what kind of phone he wants. Joe renewed our ads last week, or this week, so I'm getting way more calls than I'm used to getting.
That's good.
I don't like it. I wish they all go away. I'd rather sell to you and Lewis and let you guys sell the phones. I don't want to talk to people. Still recording. All right. Hanging the camera off the edge. And so this device has a severely bent shell. It slides underneath, and it shouldn't, but it's touching the bottom of the shell. And press down here, and you can see the bottom lifts up. And now I can get this to stay in one place. Now I can slide the tempered glass easily. So this device has a bend or a curve to the shell. There once again is the IMEI number. No further tests will be performed on this device. This is the end of this video.